So when you want to clean your car's windscreen with your window washer nozzle wiper spray, the water sprayer, and you use it and it does not go according to plan, it does not spray the water in the right place, like you can see mine is very low, or it does not spray at all, like you can see on that side there's only one stream of water where on this side there's two. So how do you fix that problem, and how do you make it spray in the right place? Well, I'm going to show you with something very simple. If you can see this is just a needle or a pin, whichever of the two you've got. So let me get out of the car and let's see how we can fix this problem. So getting out of the car. So if you come to the front of the car, in my case, I'm only going to lift up the wiper to get it out of the way. Now, normally, these nozzles are on top of the bonnet, in the middle, either over there, mounted, or one on each side, on the bonnet or on the hood of your car to spray on the window. But in the case of my car, you'll see that it is located right there. It's so low I can't even see it. There, you'll see it right at the top. There's two little holes. Let me just show you. Right over there, you'll see those two little holes. So how are we going to repair those two little holes or make them spray in the right place? Well, it's simple. So all we have to do is, firstly, if they are clogged, the first thing we need to do is, let me try and go a bit back, there we go. You're going to take this needle or pin and you're going to poke it in those little holes right in there, which is very difficult to see because obviously this is very low. But the idea is to poke it in those holes, and this way I'm opening the holes. Any dirt or dust or whatever may be inside the holes due to the blind being dirty, or there was maybe some dirty water put in the water canister. So after I've poked the needle in the hole like so, and it's open, the second thing I need to do in order to change the direction of it, like you can see the needle is stuck inside the nozzle at the moment. So now, if the needle is stuck inside, you can kind of see where the water is going to spray. So you can move the needle up or down or left or right to wherever you need to have the water spray. So there I've got the needle in the other one, or the pin. Going to move that around a bit as well, so that shows more or less in the right direction as well. We move that around a bit more. I'm going to point it a slight bit more upwards, a bit to the side. So that should now be fine. So I'm going to take out the needle or the pin, like so, out of the nozzle. So let's go back inside and have a look at where the water is spraying this time. Well, obviously I'm not going to let the wiper down at the moment. We're going to leave it up because we only want to follow the basically streams of water. So let's do it again. Oh, you'll see the one on the one side is spraying a lot more upwards now, but the one on the right is still spraying is a bit more down, but they are spraying a lot stronger. So that means they are open and unclogged. Like on the other side, you can see it's still spraying a bit weak, only on the one side, but still not high enough on this side. So let me go and adjust those again, and we'll see if there's a difference. Okay, so I've adjusted the other side wiper as well. So let's have a look at it again. This time I let the wipers down as well, so you can see the whole windscreen except for the rearview mirror. Yeah, so let's have a look. Look at that. Both of the water streams on that side is now working. They're not spraying exactly the same height, but it's close enough. Both of the streams on this side are working, and they're spraying much more into the center of the windscreen at the moment, which is allowing the wipers to clean the whole screen nice and evenly, which is very effective. And that all with nothing more than a little needle or a pin like this. And that's as easy as it is. So you just poke open the holes if they are a slight bit clogged, and then merely adjust the directions. Obviously, it is easier when the nozzles are on top of the bonnet or on top of the hood, but in my case, they are underneath, which made it a bit, not more difficult to adjust, but a bit more difficult to see, but very easily still. So if you do like videos like this and tips like this, be sure to like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing that as well. Also, if you wish to support my channel, please have a look at the super thanks icon down below. Until next time, thank you very much, guys.